Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Moz login problems, account access restored step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to moz.com and click login. Type your email carefully and check for typos like extra spaces or wrong letters. Type your password slowly and confirm caps lock is not turned on. If you use a password manager, copy and paste the password to avoid mistakes. Click Forgot Password if you are not 100% sure about the password. Check your inbox for the Moz reset email and also check spam or promotions folders. Open the reset email and create a new strong password that you have not used before. Return to the login page and try signing in with the new password. If the reset email does not arrive, wait 5 minutes and request the reset link again. Make sure you are using the same email address that was used to create the Moz account. If you have multiple emails, search your inbox for Moz to find past receipts or alerts. Confirm your internet connection is stable by opening another website in a new tab. Clear your browser cache and cookies for moz.com and then restart the browser. Try logging in using an incognito or private window to avoid extension conflicts. Disable ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions temporarily and test again. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to isolate the issue. If you are on a work network, switch to a mobile hotspot in case the network blocks access. Check that your device date and time are set to automatic to prevent security errors. If you see a too many attempts message, stop trying and wait 15 to 30 minutes. If you use two-factor authentication, make sure your authenticator app time is synced. If you changed phones, use your backup codes or follow Moz 2FA recovery options if available. Verify that your Moz subscription or trial is active by checking any billing emails you received. If you are redirected in a loop, log out everywhere if the option appears, then log in again. Go to your browser settings and allow cookies for moz.com because login requires them. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off and try signing in from your normal location. Check Moz status updates by searching Moz status to see if there is a temporary outage. Contact Moz support from the help or contact page and include your account email and error details. When support replies, follow their verification steps to confirm ownership and restore access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.